Sige, so happy Monday sa inyo. Nililis natin no, yan mga 11 o'clock or mga 12. So depende na lang sa mga 11 natin to i-release. So yun, bali, yun na ba yung bagong feature yun Instagram, which is pwede kayo mag-share location, and actually is makikita nyo live yung inyong location so sa mismong mapa ng Pilipinas. So ano ba yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kasi may bagong features si Instagram, which is itong live map. Ayan yung live map, which is kung sino yung mga naka-public location dyan or yung inyong visuals. So makita nyo dyan live kung saan sila naka-share or saan sila or saan nila share location. So actually yung GPS natin is automatically nag-turn on yan or dyan automatic yan na nag-share the location. Basta may fixed signal kayo and nakakulot yung inyong GPS sa inyong phone or I mean naka-automatic yung share niyan. So basta may open user yung phone niya is automatic na nagsisync in yung location niyan, and kasi meron built-in dyan sa inyong CPU and sa inyong motherboard. Yung automatic talaga yung location niyan kung saan basta meron dyan tapos makikita nyo is automatic talaga yung location. So basta papalito ko sa inyo, return natin yung kay ChatGPT. Nag-wait lang. So guys, how does automatically sync across your sorry, nalaglag yung ating mic. So yun na nangyari pa nag-isip yung conclusion. So you're okay, certain online and sabi natin sinasabi dyan location na linking across apps is achieved through location services and cloud synchronization using combination of GPS and so sabi ko rin yung combination of GPS, Wi-Fi, cellular networks and Bluetooth here, so it works. So yan, first location services and device level combination customer devices, smartphones, tablets, and computers have location services that allows apps to access location data happens through GPS or global positioning system that determines location based on satellite signals. Wi-Fi network system is location based on nearby Wi-Fi signals. Cellular towers is cell signals triangulation of approximate location, and then Bluetooth. Bluetooth beacons detects proximity to Bluetooth input devices or beacons. Each app must request user permission to access location data depending on the settings the app may have. So yan, we should use access or using phone, which is the Google Maps by my iPhone, and then mine was in active only when the app is open. Precise route approximate location so maps in general apps. Ads are generally done in other apps or tool apps and self coordinates and second synchronization of all sharing app synchronization data across devices may be given to a user code. Services may be done upon and service from using functions and location across multiple apps. Meron dyan Google, like Facebook, location services, for example, any device, then third is cross app and API integration, which is the application programming interface, and Google Maps API. And so next is syncing and continuous tracking. So services, social media check-ins, US and health apps, and etc. And natin is privacy and security consideration. And then dito na yung this KPIs and also online. Basic information our stops so operation can be determined in real time by simplifying the loss devices, locating friends or family, tracking employees, law enforcement, or emergency services, which is the location tracking. So yun lang guys, so copy natin din that will not put may description box para mas marami na pong yan. Natin palagay sa location box. Sa description